Welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders.
The Woolly Mammoth, icon of the Ice Age. DNA from the fossil bones reveals that the woolly mammoth evolved around 350,000 years ago in North America. The life-size replicas seen here were created by Canadian Museum of Nature sculptors in the 1980s. They are modeled after real fossils found in Siberia, the Yukon, and Alaska. Notice the thick fur, small ears, and short tails, all adaptations for surviving cold winters on the steppe, or steppe. You would think I would figure out the pronunciation of these words before doing narration for this video, but I didn't. Steppe or steppe? Let's go with steppe. The woolly mammoth is regarded as a keystone species. That means its foraging behavior and pattern of travel across the land created the conditions responsible for the appearance and maintenance of the mammoth steppe as an ecosystem. So steppe is an ecosystem. Around the sculptures are plants that were found in the prehistoric steppe. Here's a baby one. Sea thrift. I don't see any of those. Say cheese. Cheese. You didn't say, you're not saying cheese. It's not saying cheese. Arctic tundra, prairie grasslands, and boreal forest. The vanished ecosystem of the woolly mammoth. The mammoth steppe developed as a distinct ecological zone along the edge of the northern hemisphere's glaciers during the Ice Age, approximately 120,000 to 12,000 years ago. By the height of the Ice Age, it was the largest terrestrial environment on Earth, stretching across Eurasia and into North America. The mammoth steppe supported a complex mosaic of plant life. Over 250 species grew in an ecosystem that combined modern grasslands, rocky tundra, and dry scrublands. In prehistoric Canada, it was mostly found in the Yukon and supported large populations of mammoths and other extinct animals. Many of the plant species found on the mammoth steppe still grow today in parts of the circumpolar Arctic and boreal regions. This is the Arctic tundra area. That's what I just walked through, the iceberg sculpture. The iceberg sculpture by artist Bill Lishman. The iceberg is composed of welded stainless steel parts, the tallest extending 13 meters high. Smaller pieces that represent ice chunks are found at the base. Around the iceberg is the Arctic tundra. The sculpture's size dramatizes the natural differences in scale that define Canada's Arctic, where icebergs and towering mountains contrast with tiny plants in a treeless terrain. Prairie grasslands is represented next. You can see all the grass in behind there. That's the prairie grasslands. This is what I'm looking at, I guess, the landscapes of Canada Gardens. Next is the boreal forest, or boreal forest, spruce forest. There's the sculpture back behind there again. This was just recently erected. A plaque marking the importance of this botanist, John Macoun, who lived from 1831 to 1920. This field naturalist and botanist was the first to survey, document, and categorize Canadian flora in a systematic manner. After Confederation, he traveled west for the Canadian Pacific Railway with surveying parties and controversially concluded that a semi-arid prairie region known as Palliser's Triangle could sustain ranching and wheat cultivation. He amassed a vast number of botanical specimens during his lifetime, which served as the foundation of Canada's national collection. Through his publications and international exchanges of information and exemplars, he greatly enriched the emerging field of botany. Alright, I think I'm gonna head home. So today I had a good lunch at the Upper Crust Deli. Highly recommend it, especially if you get their special. It comes with soup, so it's a little less expensive in the long run. Really good sandwiches. And and then I walked up to the Victoria Memorial Museum here and had a look around on the outside. So you can come here for free and do things. You don't even have to walk into the museum. You can just have a look around the building. There's always, I think they always have something on the grounds here to look at. The Woolly Mammoths are always there to take a picture. You can read up on stuff on all the signs they've got out here. Good dinosaur footprint here. Back up to Bank Street. This is McLeod Street that I'm heading west on. else is doing some filming here. CTV. There's the Book Bazaar, Staples, back down bank. Here's where the Rialto Theater used to be. There's a vintage shop on Florence Street somewhere. On the side of the Urban Spice again, from further away. Thimble Bakery and Ice Cream. Oh, there's a biplane up there. So, that's it today from Steve's World of Wonders. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions as to how I can make these videos better, please leave a comment in the comment section. If you'd like to see other videos, check out my playlists or hit subscribe. So from Steve's World of Wonders, bye for now. From Steve's World of Wonders, bye for now.